friends, now we'll discuss about the units and the measurements. So to know about the units and measurement, we should know some basic facts about these. See, what is the need of the measurement? Okay, this is the first topic. So actually physics, physics is a branch of science dealing with nature and the natural phenomena, very well. Okay, with natural phenomena. And it means you can say the measurement, we have to measure every time, that is how much time a falling apple is taking, or how much time you are taking to reach from one place to another place. Okay, we need always a measurement. Okay, so we need some time measurement of the distance, time, mass, etc. Okay, etc. So it means you can say science or the physics is the science of measurement, you can say simply. Okay, physics is the science of measurement. Okay, to measure the different phenomena, what you have to do actually, a quantity is required to link the physical phenomena. Suppose if you are going to the market and you want to take some vegetable, you will not say directly give me 1 or 2. You have to add 1 piece or 1 kg or 1 piece here. Different means you have to use the physical quantity, name of the physical quantity, and quantity also you have to use. So quantity always linked. A quantity, you can say the quantity is always linked. Quantity linked to a physical quantity, to a physical phenomena, you can say phenomenon, which may be treated as the physical quantity. It is called the physical quantity. Okay, physical quantity. Okay, physical quantity means which is linked to a physical phenomena. Okay, like time, distance, etc. So in order to measure the physical quantity, we assume a certain magnitude of this quantity, such as a standard. Okay, standard, that is the suppose nowadays we are using 3 meter, 4 meter, like this. So meter is the standard now. Or suppose we are taking the 1 hour, 2 hours. So hour is the standard of the time. So this standard we have to use, and we call this standard as a unit. Okay, so standard you can say is called unit of that physical quantity. Unit of physical quantity. So you should know what is the measurement, what is the quantity, what is the unit. Okay, basic you think. So actually we express the measurement by two physical quantity. Two things are there. Two things are here. First is, you can say it is the unit, and second, quantity means the numerical value. Okay, the numerical value. Numerical value, we use this for the word magnitude. Okay, magnitude. And the product, remember, the product of numerical value and the unit in one system is always equal to the, in second unit, second and to u2. Okay, the product is always remains constant. That is, you can say numerical value of a physical quantity is inversely proportional to its unit. That is, the product is always product of numerical value and the unit is always constant. It is always constant, remember. Okay, now this is the basic, and hopefully nothing will be asked in your exam. It is just to make the base of this chapter. So we are coming to the main topic of this chapter, that is the fundamental quantities. quantities and fundamental units. Okay, actually these are the, actually for the measurement different units are required, physical quantities to measure the, so actually these are the units which cannot be generated in other terms. Like you can't express time in terms of the length or in terms of the current, you can't express. Simply in other way you can say you can't express the speed, you can't express the other physical quantity like the current in terms of the any other, that is the in terms of the mass, in terms of the time you can't express. So some physical quantities are unique and you can't express one physical quantity in terms of the another. So you can say the, first of all I'm taking the definition of fundamental units. So fundamental units are self-generated, self-defined and independent from each other, okay, and cannot be explained or cannot defined in any other unit. Okay, cannot be defined. This is the self-generated, self. Okay, so and the physical quantities related to the unit is called the fundamental quantities. Like for example, if we take time, the unit of time is second, the unit of mass is the kg. So kg is the unit and the mass is the fundamental quantity. So before discussing the fundamental units, all the fundamental units, let's discuss the systems of the units also. See the systems of units. Already in previous classes you have studied about it. There are four systems. First is the CGS. CGS means if the length is measured in the centimeter, mass in gram and the time in second, that is the CGS. Okay, this is the CGS. Second is the, you can say the LPS, or you can say, sorry, FPS. FP means it is the British system, foot pound second, that is the length is in foot, pound means the mass and the time for second. FPS, foot pound seconds. And the another is the MKS system, that is the meter kilogram second. And the another is the SI means it actually, SI is internationally accepted. It was accepted in 1960. Okay, so this is a system international units, which is in French equivalent to the international system of units. Okay, so these are the four systems. Now come to the basic units, fundamental units and the two supplementary units. So I'm coming for the basic units. Okay, these are the 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here we'll write the physical quantity, that is the name of quantity, and here the name of unit, and here symbol Okay, so first is the length, second is mass, third is the time, fourth is the electric current, and the next is the temperature, and the sixth is the amount of substance, and the seventh is the luminous intensity. Okay, now see the units. It is the meter, mass, that is the kilogram, time, its second unit, electric current, it is the ampere, and the temperature it is the Kelvin, and amount of substance it is the mole, and the luminous intensity it is the candela. Now see the symbols. It is denoted by small m, it is kg, it is small s, it is capital A, K, mole, MOL, and the candela CD. Okay, so remember, it's a good question. Basic units and the basic physical quantities. These are the 7 physical quantities, and these are the related corresponding physical fundamental units. Now, in addition to 7 physical units, basic units, we have two more supplementary units. See, what are the supplementary units? These are the two. First is the for plane angle, and for plane angle its unit is radian, which is denoted by RAD, simply like this. And another supplementary unit is the solid angle. Okay, its unit is steradian, denoted by small sr. Okay, so you will study in class 12th about the solid angle. Plane angle you know very well. Okay, so this is about the units. So in next video we'll discuss some more topics of this chapter.